Graph of f of x equals 10 to the x is reflected about the x-axis and shifted up by 7. So we need to write that new equation. So first we're talking about reflected about the x-axis. So when that happens, that means we're negating the entire function, meaning you just multiply the entire thing by -1. And then moving up by 7, now we're applying a vertical shift up. That's a plus 7 to the entire function like that. So here's the g of x function. Now if we want the y-intercept, first we plug in 0 for x. So 10 to the 0th power is 1. Then we apply the negative. That's -1 plus 7 is 6. Now if we're talking about domain, there's no restrictions for x. So domain can be all real numbers, okay? We can abbreviate it like that. There's no restriction there. So now we talk about the range, and the range is going as high as 7. 7 is the highest it's going to go because this value is always going to be negative. And so you can imagine when this thing is really, really big negative numbers plus 7, we're going as low as we want, aka we're starting at -infinity. And then we're going all the way up to 7. That's when this gets as small as possible, when x is these really big negative numbers, right? This 10 to a negative big exponent would be 1 over 10 to that power, so really close to 0, plus 7. It would max out at 7, not including 7, but up to 7. So there are your answers done.